Brad, what are you doing? Welcome back, y'all. If you've never been here before, I'm Justin. This is Off Duty Adventures. Welcome to Pine Island, Florida. We're in Pine Island Sound, and we just wanted to go fishing. Kids are in school, wife's at work, and Loretta's turning 1 on Saturday. And we said, let's go celebrate, just her and Daddy. So, tag along. Hopefully we'll get some fish. Got a piece of mullet we're gonna throw out there. And I got the old trusty paddle tail that I like using. It's a white in color paddle tail. Works really good out here in the grass flats. There she is, Slam Shady, baby. Y'all see that? There's fish out there. Maybe baby trout, I'm thinking, or puffer fish. No, tail's still on, can't be puffer. Maybe some baby trout. Water's starting to get a little cooler. They should get more active. What's up, baby girl? You ready for some trout? Yeah. Me too, let's get some trout. I'm looking. Loretta's like, catch some fish, Dad. I'm hungry. It's only your second time being on the boat. She's still trying to figure it all out. What? Oh, she's barking at this lure deal. She's not sure what's going on. She hasn't been out fishing. Last time she was on the boat, we didn't really fish. That's funny. She's trying to figure it out. Ready? See any fish in there? Do you see any fish? Where they at, baby? Trying to find. Oh no! What in the world? What in the world happened here? That's called casting into the wind. Is what that is. Y'all see that? Don't be a rookie like me. Cast in the wind and wah-bam. Now I got a pile of string. What a mess. All right, well, gonna have to redo that one. See if we get our lure back. If anything bites us, we're gonna be hand fishing in a minute. He keeps playing with it. That's all he's doing is playing. Seems like. Yeah, little babies. Either babies or crabs. Well, crap. What are you doing? Let's try back there.
feeling, man. It's like 70 degrees, humidity's low. It's just wind in your face is amazing, you know. And like I always say, man, adventures don't have to be big. They can be the simplest things. Today I'm out here trying to fish, and I'm getting skunked at every hole. But Loretta's having a great time. Her first time on the boat fishing. I'm having a great time just enjoying life. And I hope that inspires y'all to get out there and do what makes you happy. So I am going to try to stop one more time. And if we get skunked there, then this is going to be a skunk video. I don't know if y'all can tell, but the winds are coming due north, and it's getting a little sporty for this old pontoon. Glad I went with a 22 footer. Anyhow, y'all, I think we're gonna name this video "Make a Lemonade Out of Lemons," because today's goal was to go fishing, and we got skunked at every turn. And the wind's turning up a little bit, so Loretta and I are gonna finish our journey around the island. We started in Sanibel, went all the way north around to Pine Island. Now we're coming back to Matlacha. We're gonna go home and get some lunch. I was hoping to catch some fish, and I was gonna do a cookout on the boat, but you know what? That's life, right? It doesn't always go the way we planned. That's kind of the journey that I'm on with this YouTube, is just to enjoy life for how it comes, and try not to be so controlling, because you gotta take the good with the bad, right? So I hope this video turns out good. I won't know until I go to edit it, guys, but I hope you enjoyed it. And thanks just for being here, for viewing, for supporting my channel. I'm sorry that it wasn't as good as I wanted it to be, but I'm glad that you're here. So please like and subscribe if you haven't. Please comment. I love talking to y'all. I don't get many comments, so any comment I get is appreciated. And to my 2 new subscribers I got this week, thanks for being here, y'all. One's from Australia, and another's a good buddy of mine, actually. But I love all of my supporters, all my subscribers, and I thank you. Until next time, take care, God bless, but we gone.